I welcome you all on the occasion of an interdepartmental quiz competition being held in Sri Guru Gobind Singh College, Sector 26, Chandigarh, on the theme Innovation in 21st Century Skills. I would like to throw some light on what G20 is. This G20 is a group of 20 that is the premier forum for international economic cooperation. It plays an important role in shaping and strengthening global architecture and governance on all major international economic issues. The G20 summit is held annually under the leadership of a rotating presidency. It brings together the world's major advanced and emerging economies. India holds the presidency of the G20 from 1st December 2022 to 30th November 2023. The theme of India's G20 presidency, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, or One Earth, One Family, One Future, is drawn from the ancient Sanskrit text of the Brahma Upanishad. For India, the G20 presidency also marks the beginning of Amrit Kal, the 25-year period beginning from the 75th anniversary of its independence on 15th August 2022, leading up to the centenary of its independence towards a futuristic, prosperous, inclusive, and developed society, distinguished by a human-centric approach at its core. Well, I would like to say that it is a matter of great privilege that Punjab University Chandigarh has been selected as one of the 76 universities across different states and union territories of India for hosting lecture series and organizing student-centric activities. The Honorable Prime Minister of India advised spreading awareness among the youth and academic community in the country about G20 and the Indian presidency of G20. Our university is proud to be a part of this great vision which India seeks to achieve through the G20 presidency. And this is a starting step in this process. Now let's begin with the quiz, and first of all I should call out the rules of the quiz. And here are the one. There will be only 2 rounds in the competition. You are allowed to attempt the quiz only once, and only one option will be accepted for the question. Each question carries 5 marks. Participants are required to attempt all questions. The decision of the organizers is final in case of any dispute. Any kind of malpractice like interpretation or double participation, etc. will render the participation null and void. Last, in case of tie, there shall be a tiebreaker round. And that's it. Over to Puneet now. So are you ready? Yes. So before starting, so I will also give you the visualization of the rules. So as already told by ma'am that in this round, this is your round number 1. So each team will be asked 3 questions and each question carries 5 marks. And you will be provided 30 seconds for each question. So there will be a buzzer. So once the 30 seconds are over, so no answer will be accepted. And if the allotted team is unable to answer the question, then the question will be passed on to the next team. And for every pass on question, 2 marks will be given. And to answer this pass on question, you will be given 15 seconds. So I will ask the question team wise. So first I will ask team number 1, team number 2 and team number 3. So every team will be asked 3 questions each. So are you ready? Yeah. So team number 1. So which of the following is not considered as a common characteristics of an entrepreneur? Internal locus of control, high need for achievement, self-confidence and external locus of control. Team 1.
competition, lack of diversity in the workforce, none of the above.
C option.
Option C, so that's incorrect. The correct option is lack of resource. Sorry. So next I will take care. The next question is from team number 3. So how can individuals cultivate their own innovation skills? Option A, by taking risk and trying new things. Option B, by sticking to familiar routines and processes. And option C, by avoiding failure at all costs. And option D, none of above.
A option.
Option A, that's correct. So next question is for team number 7. So how can educational institutions foster innovation skills in their students? By focusing only on standardized testing, by encouraging creativity and problem solving, by promoting rote memorization and none of above.
B option.
Option B is correct. Next question is for team number 10. The 4 C's of 21st century skills refer to communication, cooperation, critical thinking and creativity. Option B, communication, collaboration, critical thinking and creativity. Option C, consistency, collaboration, critical thinking and creativity. And the last option is communication, collaboration, critical thinking and commitment. B, yes. Option B is correct. ऑडियंस ने भी बोला. So the next question will be asked to team number 1. What is environmental literacy? Being aware of diversity in various animals, birds and plants. Possessing a strong hold of knowledge in biology and botany, being able to survive in all kinds of environment and none of others. None of this. The option is correct. Next question is for team number 2. 21st century skills are required for students to prepare for success in a fast-changing digital society, competition in the corporate world, an era of entrepreneurs and none of these. A. What does ICT stand for? Information, creativity and technology, information, communication and technology, innovation, communication and technology, and information, citizenship and training. Option? Option B. Option B is correct. B or D?
Option B.
ऑडियंस को भी पहले भी आवाज आई इसके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर टीम नंबर 7. The following are the 21st century student outcomes as stated in the framework for 21st century learning proposed by partnership for the 21st century skills except life and career skills, professional development, information media and technology skills, and core subject and the 21st century themes. Option D, that's incorrect. So next, this question team number 10. Option B, that's correct. So now team number 10, this is your question. What is design thinking? A way of thinking about design that focuses on aesthetics, a process for creating a new product, a human-centered approach to problem solving.
team 1, 10.
Okay, and 10. Option B, that's incorrect.
Team 1, team 1.
Option C. Option C is correct. So next question is for team number 1. What does the term global awareness mean? To be able to manage goals and time, to be able to adjust to varied roles and responsibilities, to understand how and why media messages are made, and to understand and collaborate with people from different cultures. D option D, that's incorrect.
Team 2.
Next team. Option B, wait a second, this is correct. Option B is correct. D is correct. Option B is correct. So next, team number 2. What is information literacy? Managing time, being able to read, knowing how to find information, and being able to access and evaluate information from a wide array of sources. That's correct option. Next question for team number 3. Working together to reach a goal, putting talent, expertise and smarts to work. Option A, creativity and innovation, critical thinking and problem solving, collaboration and communication. That's incorrect.
Team 7.
7. C is correct. So next question is for team number 7. Who can utilize the Atal Tinkering Labs? Only government schools, private schools, both government and private schools, and only higher education institutions. That's incorrect. So this question is now passed on to next team number 10. That's the correct one. Option C is correct. So now team number 10, this is your question. So which of the following is an example of an innovative renewable energy technology that has emerged in the 21st century? Coal-fired power plants, nuclear power plants, solar panels and gasoline power generators. Option B, that's incorrect.
Team 1.
Team 1, D option. D option is also incorrect. C option. Only up to 2 only because it will be only 4. Answer is C. That's the end of this
नहीं
आप पूछोगे ना?
टीम नंबर 2
बेटा इमीडिएट आंसर देना है अगर आपने बजट
A
बताया।
option.
ए दैट्स इनकरेक्ट
ये पास नहीं है ना?
नो दिस इज नॉट
Yeah, pass.
दैट्स इनकरेक्ट
ऑडियंस से पूछ लो
ऑडियंस So question second,
इधर आंसर था तो
then we have some. Team number 3,
बेटा आंसर इमीडिएट देना अगर बजट बताया।
B, that's correct. Reason is question 3.
बेटा बजट में इमीडिएट आंसर देना है बात सोचना नहीं होगा
So this question will be cancelled. So next question. That's incorrect. So the correct answer is option A. So next question number. So just find it now. Working. Question 5. See, that's correct option. Next question. That's incorrect. So I will explain you one more question. Because there are only 5 questions here, na? ये नहीं है लास्ट Yes. B, that's correct.
तभी कहे क्यों प्रैक्टिस करना है इन्हें भी दम का जोड़ दे सकते हैं
So that's the end of this round number 2. So team 1 in this round, so you have scored 0 marks. And team 2, you have scored 8 marks. And team 3, you have scored 1 mark.
बाकी बच्चे बाद में चलेंगे, मैम से करवा देंगे ना।
कोई 10 बजे शुरू होगा 7 बजे।
साइड आ जाओ।